My name is Dylan DeGroot. I work at FLT as an electrical engineer.
My name is Justin Chant. I'm also an electrical engineer.
We design the controllers, the products, and how the batteries and solar panels all come together and just get the customers the most light per night. The initial plan with this controller was an upgrade and also being forward-thinking to provide a platform for some of these new features.
It was a real modernization project to bring the very latest technology to all of our lights. When we're designing the product, we really try to keep in mind the features that will benefit the customer most directly. One of the features that we worked on for this new general controller was auto on. We ship the light from the factory, all connected up, and as soon as you take it out of the box, it's enabled and ready to go.
The light coming on right out of the box just makes it a very easy installation experience. You just need to actually mount it on a pole, put the anchors in the ground, and you're good to go. There's no cabling you have to do. There's no special screws to open up the unit, and it reduces the possibility for a wire to not be connected by accident or be connected loosely. So it really makes a more robust product. We have another feature as well called astronomical lighting, where it actually calculates based off its position the exact time of sunset and sunrise. And this happens on all the lights now with these controllers, so they will all turn on at the exact same time and all turn off at the same time as well.
Also means that if some of the lights are more heavily shaded, maybe there's other outdoor lighting happening, that ensures they will come on consistently.
So it's a little more shade resistant and provides a visually nice experience to people in the public, seeing all the lights turn on all at once.
One of the nice features of this controller is that it's based on an automotive enclosure. If ever there were a problem with the controller, it's very easy to replace. There's one connector and two screws.
This has a built-in temperature sensor as well, so we'll be monitoring and adjusting our charging output to maximize the battery health and really get the most years possible out of our batteries. Better for the environment, better for the customer experience. Magic ingredient is in our lighting algorithms and how the controller adapts to different lighting inputs as well as communicates any issues to the customer.
Our design process starts with writing a brief.
Really detailing what we want out of this product, what the customer needs. This took 4 different prototypes of us experimenting with some of these new chips, the new technology. We have to go through certification testing, efficiency testing. We have a nice solar simulator simulating a huge range of solar inputs. All of our controllers go through 2 automated test suites that put it through all the input and output ranges, and that happens before it even arrives in our hands. And then once we install in a product, we do it again with the customer specific configuration and make sure that it meets all the criteria to meet the customer's needs.
We keep the customer in mind in one way by doing testing at our own home. Just run them in the backyard and see how it is from the customer's point of view.
At FLT, we've designed our controllers to be a premium product, so it's getting the highest efficiency we can squeeze out of these solar panels and batteries. We want to give the customers the experience of having the brightest light possible with the size of the solar panels and the lights that they have. This controller is very versatile, so it can handle not just what we need it to handle right now for our products, but also support the features that we're going to offer in the future.